Okay, now we just changed the muffler on that one, and I will put that link in the description. This is the muffler. I got it from eBay for $170. And this is a very easy fix. It's perfectly worked very well with the way that it came with all the bolts, but you have to be careful about, you know, not to use the old one. They have the new ones in the packet, all the bolts and nuts, so use that one. And I'm using that spring. They send me 4. but I think I just used a couple of springs. I don't need to. They also had some in the connector that also worked very well. And this just the muffler piece goes really nice with the existing connection, an existing bolt. I didn't use their bolt. All the bolts, all the extra pieces right here that I didn't have to use, but I tested it and it works very well. I'm just gonna start it just to give you an idea how it sounds like. All right. So that was it. That was my installation of the new muffler. Cost me about $170 instead of paying $300 on Amazon. And actually, you can find this. You can Google it. KPT 200 models. They use that one, and it's really light compared to the old one. You can see the old one in the back. That was pretty heavy, so I think I'm gonna be happy with it. I haven't had a chance to ride it yet, but I'm gonna be doing it today or tomorrow, whenever, and I'll post that video as well. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you again. Have a nice day.